Good morning, children. Today we will start our second lesson, Role of Computers. In this lesson, Role of Computers, identify the fields where computers are used, identify the places where computers are used, skill to learn. Computer is a very useful device. Today, there is widespread use of computers in almost all important activities of daily life. We can see computers at schools, homes, office, hospitals, and several other places. We can't imagine without a computer in our daily life. Let us know about the role of computers at various places. School. Report cards prepared by your teacher with the help of computer. Now teachers are using to make the report cards, etc. Computers are used in admission process, maintaining the school library and collecting the fees, etc. In our school office also, computers are used in admission process, maintaining school library, collecting fees, etc. Teachers take help of computers while teaching. Next, home. We take the assistance of computer is doing our homework and playing games. Children are using the computer to do their homeworks and playing games. Your parents plan their monthly budget with the assistance of computer. Parents also using computer for making their budgets. The computer assists you in listening to music and watching movies. And children are using computer to listening music and watching movies. Computers assist us by things while sitting at home. Computer assists us buying things while sitting at home. Online shopping. Do you know buying items from home using a computer is known as online shopping? You can make payments of your bills using computers. Shops and hotels. See the pictures. Computers are used in shops to make bills, maintain records of stocks, and description of sales of various items. In market, shopping mall, and several places, computers are using. Computers are used in shops, make bills, maintain records of stock and description of sales of various items. Office. The computer assists in typing and printing documents. Office using typing and printing documents. The computer assists in sending and receiving messages, sending emails and receiving messages. Do you know messages sent and received through computers are popularly known as emails? They can reach any part of world in seconds, which saves time and money. Banks. Computer Computers are used in maintaining the particulars and accounts of the customers. Bank also using computer for maintaining accounts and customers details and all. We take the assistance of computers in withdrawing money from ATM, automated teller machine, ATM, withdrawing money from the ATM, updating all the accounts transactions using these computers, paying and receiving cash and check. Now, these all the things we are using from the computers. Hospitals. Computers are used by doctors in surgery. Doctors also using computer in surgery. Computers are very useful in diagnosing many diseases. Medical reports are prepared with the help of computers. Airports and railway station. Computers play an important role in reservation and cancellation of tickets for passengers. We can know about the arrival and departure of trains and flights with the help of computers. Computers play an important role in reservation, advance booking, ticket booking, cancellation of tickets for the passengers. We can know about arrival and departure of trains and flights with the help of our computers. The computer helps to keep track of location, speed and direction of trains and aeroplanes. Do you know reservation means advance booking in trains, buses or planes and rooms in hotels? Computers are widely used for this purpose. In designing, computers are used architects in designing, building houses and flowers. Computers are used by engineers in designing cars, aeroplanes and other machines. Computers are used by architects in designing building houses and flowers. Computers are used by engineers in designing new cars, aeroplanes and other machines with the help of computer. Computers are used in designing clothes, shoes, etc. Computers are helpful in designing advertisement, animations, movies and lot more things. Up to this parts you can revise, read 2 times and today's class over. Thank you and have a nice day.